Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting straight away. Sign into iCloud and make sure location services are active because Find My relies on accurate GPS and network data. Once signed in, open Settings, tap your name, iCloud, Find My, and toggle Find My iPhone and Find My Network on. This lets nearby Apple devices anonymously relay location. Make sure Send Last Location is enabled so your device reports before power loss, and allow necessary permission. Now you'll open the Find My app and choose devices or items to begin tracking. This shows active devices, AirTags, and compatible accessories. Tap any entry to see its current location, request directions, or play a sound to find it nearby, useful in crowded places. Once done, enable Lost Mode to lock and message a finder, or select Notify when found to get an alert. If sharing, make sure you understand what permissions you're granting and when to stop sharing. To finish, confirm sharing and security. Share your location only with trusted contacts through People, and revoke access when it's no longer needed, because continuous sharing affects privacy. If a device is irretrievable, erase it remotely, but remember this disables further tracking. Use as a last resort. If Find My isn't showing devices, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, location services, and Find My Network are enabled, and the device has network connectivity. Rebooting or toggling the settings often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.